Hey, K-Dot.
Yeah.
Second down and 8. Price, all kinds of time to the end zone. Touchdown, Eagles. Pinpoint pass by through the legs of the Landry returner. And first down for the Buccaneers, not much.
12 minutes. Tell them to back up a little bit. Lane 2. Lucky.
Second down and 10. Outside, complete.
Hey, here we go. Kip, stay.
Right there, 17.
Hand off up the middle, breaks a tackle. Price pass is complete. And they rip this one right up the middle, a flag fly. Price fires it deep, he has a man wide open. And the pass is complete. He tried to stay in bounds. Handoff on first down, not much. Quick pass outside. He'll have a first down and more. That's number 11, Damian. And he breaks a tackle in the backfield, but he can't break the second one. Number 27 on the rush once again, Beal. Shovel pass. And on the run, and that's number 2, Ja'Kai Anderson. Price back to pass. Pressured. And he scrambles, and he'll be out of bounds past the first down marker. From the 22, handoff on first down, right up the middle, and he nearly had a touchdown. Handoff once again, that's Beal, and he's third down and 1. Price on the QB keeper. And Santana Price will have enough for another Ron Eagles first down. Price, quick pass. And the Bucs defender. Price back to pass. Steps up in the pocket. He'll take off. And Santana. Price back to pass. Price steps up in the pocket, fires it. First down pass for the Bucs, not much. A penalty flag fly. Quick pass by Stewart, knocked it to the air. Fourth down. Bucs try a surprise. Back on the attack, first down from the Bucs 38. Price And Price somehow gets out of trouble. That was looking like a loss of about 7 or 8. He's able to get near the original line of scrimmage. 2nd down and 7. Hand off to the running back. Troydell Beal once again on the carry. 3rd down and 3 from the 30. Price fires it to the right side of the field. He has a man in the end zone. And Landry all over. 2nd down and 8. Price all kinds of time to the end zone. Touchdown, Eagles! Pinpoint pass by number 2 for the Bucs on the return, Chris Griffin. Hand off up the middle. Number 1. Your score after 1, down 5-6, 0.
Hey, K-Dot. Yeah.